want Windows 11 on your PC, but your PC just doesn't support the upgrade? Well, I am here to help. In this video, I will show you how to install Windows 11 on your unsupported PC, as well as how to keep on receiving feature, security, and driver updates. Let's begin. Okay, that was a weird voice. I'll stop. Okay, so to do this, we're going to be using a command script called offline insider enroll. And this script was originally created with the purpose to enroll your PC into the Windows Insider program without a Microsoft account. So you don't need to sign in with a Microsoft account to enroll yourself in the Windows Insider program. You could just do it from the command script and no need to sign in. But now it also serves the purpose, alongside the no Microsoft account thing, of enrolling your unsupported PC into any of the 3 Windows Insider channels, Dev, Beta, or Release Preview. So we're going to be using this script to get our feature and security updates right through the Windows Settings app. So without further ado, let's do it, I guess. Okay, so I've linked the official download in the description below from GitHub. It's going to download as a zip file, locate the zip file in your file explorer, and extract it. Then you're going to end up on this page. There's going to be a file titled offline insider enroll -2.5.0. Double click it, and then it's going to show 3 files. One is a license file, one is the actual command script, and the other one is an MD file. Okay, so we're going to be looking at this this Windows command script file. That's around 10 kilobytes, so not that large. And for this to actually work, you're going to have to run this as an administrator. So just do it. User account control, yes. And then it's going to pull up this script. So I'm going to zoom in, and here it says there's 5 numbers, and each one has a certain command. So if you enter 1, it'll enroll your device into the dev channel. If you click 2, it'll enroll it into the beta channel. If you click 3, it'll enroll it into the release preview channel. If you click 4, it'll just stop your device from receiving any other insider preview builds, just right there and then. And 5, to quit the command script without making any changes. So at the time of recording, the release preview channel doesn't have Windows 11 yet, so I'm going to do choice 2 for the beta channel, but when Windows 11 does come out to the release preview channel, the best option is to do 3. So I'm going to do 2, applying changes, done. So for me, I didn't need to restart my computer, but you may need to. So if you do need to restart your computer, just press Y and enter, and it'll automatically restart your computer and enroll it into the Windows Insider program. So press any key to continue, and we're done. Just go to your settings app, yep, Windows Update, and check for updates. Are there any updates? Oh look, a security intelligence update for the Microsoft Defender antivirus. Cool! Okay, so we've got our feature and security updates, that's all good, but there's one thing missing, driver updates. Now, for driver updates on an unsupported PC, you can't just get it through the Windows Settings app. The Windows Insider program doesn't have specific driver updates. So you're going to have to get this through a third-party application called Driver Booster. It's a free application, there's also a pro version, but the free one works just fine. But here's a little disclaimer. If you have a Microsoft Surface, do not use this application, because it's better to just not install any drivers than completely destroy Windows on your Surface and lose all your data, potentially. So, yeah, on any other device, it should work fine. Let's get to how to get those drivers through Driver Booster. Okay, so on the setup, it might automatically check boxes to install other software. Uncheck those boxes. Uncheck them. And it might also, say, hey, do you want to install Dashlane? Hey, do you want to install Opera? Just ignore it. Just continue with the setup without installing any other software. Okay, so now Driver Booster is set up. And now you should be on this screen. Driver Booster 8.6 free, driver status up to date, and now you're just going to press scan. it'll scan all of the drivers on your computer, and boom. So for me, all my drivers are up to date, but if it does say, hey, you want to install drivers for some cameras, just unselect those, ignore those, just like don't do anything with the camera drivers because it could potentially mess up your camera. So yeah, we've got feature, security, and driver updates, and you should be all fine with Windows 11 on your unsupported PC. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. Share this video with your family and friends. Stay safe, wash your hands, take a shower, do whatever you need to do. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to handle your Henlo, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye!